How to change your username or display name in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and I'll show you how you will be able to do that. So first of all, just open your Roblox and after that just log into your account, and once you're logged in, just click on the settings icon from the top right. Just go to the settings, and in this page under the account info section you will see display name and your username. So in order to change your display name and your username, you have to click on the pen icon right beside the display name, and then you have to change the name of your choice. And once you've done that, just click on save. And you should also keep that in mind that your display name can only be changed once in every 7 days. So you cannot change your username or your display name every single day if that is what you are looking for. You have to wait until 7 days to change your display name back to the previous one or the new one. So likewise, if you want to change your username, you have to click on the pen icon again, and for that you must provide and verify your email before you can change your name. So just click on add email, and now you have to enter your email address and then click on add email. And now it is saying that an email has been sent for verification. So just open your Gmail account and check the email. So as you can see that Roblox has sent me an email for verification. So just click on verify email from here. Now as you can see that my email has been verified with Roblox, so just click on view item, and once your email address is verified with your Roblox account, then you will be able to change your username as well. So this is basically how you will be able to change your display name and username in Roblox account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.